Welcome to my channel, a channel of a fake programmer. In this video series I will show you and teach you how to build a whole application, a snake in 3 dimensions in Qt environment based on C++. Are you ready for it? For this series I will cover following topics. I will show you how to deal with the whole Qt environment. You will learn how to include libraries and design graphical user interface in Qt Designer. You will see how to create mesh and combine plays to create game platform for our lovely snake. You will get insight how to animate different objects parallel to rest of application and how to clean up after yourself. I will teach you how to program game logic, for example, random generated apples, growing up snake model, score system, etc. And I hope you will have fun as much as I when everything will work out together. Right in this moment I want to show you a quick sneak peek how prototype of game plane looks like. Check it out. So stay tuned and see me faking it till I make it.